October is Women as History Month, and today is the International Day of the Girl. This month celebrates the outstanding achievements of all women throughout Canada as history. This includes recognizing women as achievements in STEM science, technology, engineering and math, the arts, politics, human rights, and so much more. How are you celebrating the women in your life this month? Let us know in the comments below. Read more about Women as History Month. Please check the website below. 10月是妇女历史月，今天是国际女孩日。本月庆祝加拿大历史上所有女性的杰出成就，这包括承认女性在以下方面的成就 ：STEM 科学、技术、工程和数学、艺术、政治、人权，还有更多。这个月你如何庆祝生活中的女性？在下面的评论中让我们知道。在此处阅读有关女性历史月的更多信息，请点击下面的网站。